And what controls do body corporate have regarding the type, size and power of systems installed on individual villas?
Type, size and power of systems. Oh, yeah, okay. I've got an equally interesting answer to that one. There is a provision, I can't remember the number off the top of my head, but it's about, this is in the Body Corp Community Management Act, and that is about interfering with utility services. So there's a general provision that says you shall not cause a nuisance or an unreasonable interference with another person's lot. There's another section very close by it that says you shall not interfere with the utility services or the utility infrastructure. Now, if you go overloading the system by virtue of the fact that you've got this horse of a solar PV system on your roof and you're causing systemic problems outside of your lot, that will probably get caught by that. And that's an offence provision from memory, so you can get prosecuted for it. But of course, the obvious answer, the less fun answer, is that you can put in place a bylaw that regulates the use and enjoyment of the lot. So that's where you might be able to turn around and say, look, we've had an electrical engineer look at everything, for safety, because these things generate big voltages, big voltages, depending on how they're put together. And that can, it's not unusual to get fires starting in bad installations or poor installations with poor insulation in various places. So for safety reasons and for reasons of electrical engineering of the infrastructure, you could put in a bylaw that actually spoke to that. You can have any system you like as long as, it doesn't generate more than this many kilovolts, or, and put some reasons in. And the reasons will be, this is not to do with aesthetics, it's reasons to do with the electrical system set up in the scheme and safety. And I don't, that's a valid bylaw. If you draft it properly, it's a valid bylaw all day long.